Today's post notification shout out goes out to official Volcano TV. Go over It's Your Girl Nana's channel and subscribe as well. When you What's up, it's your girl Dekiboo and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I will be doing a story time today. No, I just sit on my veranda. It's a Saturday, I'm here bored at everything, and the thought just comes to mind to make a video, yeah. And I was like, what to make a video on? Then my member say, but I got a story. One where maybe me gonna laugh or something, or me gonna say, yeah. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment and share. Remember to subscribe if you are new and turn on that post notification bell so that you can get a shout out in any of my videos. Once you be the first to comment under this video or my next videos, then you will get a shout out. Yes, so and remember to go over a cup of tea's channel and subscribe. Yes, so grab your popcorns. And let's get into it. All right, wait. I love popcorn, guys. All right, so I was in primary school, right? And I had a lot of friends. I was a girl that love friend, love company. Anyway, my friend I go meet Africa, but my friend cut her ear one time. I cut mine too. Yeah, I did for food. So you know, primary school, I used to do track and field. Yes, and I always have training in the evenings. But this specific evening, one of my friends, she said, I know, she said she know one place where I have some nice guava, you know. And the guava them biggest guava I've ever seen in my life. Up to this day, I've not seen a guava big, so guava them big, so I'll tell you. And the girl said, they're not for go. And things, right? So we went there in the evening, we skipped training and go with her. And things. We go. Me get two, she get two. But she eat one of her, me eat one of mine. And then she said to me, put one of her in my pocket and put one of her in my pocket. So two in my pocket, you know. And thing. And I did it, and we can't just pass, yeah. I did it, and we walk and thing. And let me see this man a trail with on a bicycle. After we go pick the guava and my trail with. We didn't stop with. We didn't stop with now. We didn't stop with. And he said, what that in your pocket? What you have in your pocket? Take out your pocket. I take it out now and thing and him see it. Him say, come here, in go carry go to school. Because the school in here, the place over and just like a few distance away, so when I walk back to school, so then bring me to the school. I think in the report with me, I remember if you report with his principal, but until we forgive him our parents' number and things, so we give the number then. Now I was so scared. I know my auntie is a Christian. And she not stand foolishness, not thief or nothing. So my daddy and my daddy and I said, should I even give this man my parent number? I be like that game. Oh, but him say if you don't give me number, something, I don't remember what, but yeah, somebody have to give him and thing. So we give the number. My friend mother come, and when she come now, you know, we're not on really. Maybe she just did talk to her. When my auntie reached fast, I see her coming down bed. While later bed, you know, it's her. Come, tell me such a but I know woman beat me like shit, but nobody I feel nothing. But nobody I bow. So me, as I said before, maybe love friends, so that means that all of my friends them be around me. Hello, stop the night. I'm doing a video. Shh. So all of my friends them be around me. And I watch me I get beaten now. I think I was so embarrassed. Then when I walk home, she just stop my auntie. She just stop cuss me when me out. I tell her, you got bad people go after you. You this, you that, you that. And she just stop till she reach home. When I reach home, I thought it was just that and it's done. She said, take off your clothes. Take off my clothes. She take the belt and give me some lick under my skin. I get some lick, some naked lick. I get some lick. May I tell you, I wheel up when I done my foot, my bottom, my back, my hand, every single thing. So I don't mess with Jamaican parents. Some of them, my friends get away with everything, but my parents, I was so bad, and I live in a good home. And when she a beating a guy, she not beat soft, you know? And she has beat you down, child, nah, sleep. Let me tell you, what me tell you, Mama say it 100 like that night there. So after that now, you know, we get the lick them. Go back to school the next week. Them ask me, is my aunt? And I said, yeah. She never beat me when I come home. I said, lie and tell them to she alright. So I don't them tell them me a ball in my kidney. I'll wheel upon my bottle, wheel everywhere. Oh, and guys, the man with telephone with, guess who he was? Just a passerby. Him living in the community. Not even film tree, but him chat too much. So to all the primary school pick me them, do not be like me. But I roll and no bad yard. Can't bad yard, I have to be good at yard. So guys, I thank y'all for watching my video. My start to come story time. Yeah, there's more to come of course. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.